So that's the preview for the week of July 18th to July 22nd. Okay, so it's time for the wrap-up for today. Let's cover quickly what we did in the program so far. The mood in general remains positive. Political certainty in the UK. Today, Theresa May, Britain's second female prime minister, enters 10 Downing Street with no prolongation of the competition up to September. We have much more certainty. Let's help the pound shoot 500 pips off the lows. But we still don't know how Brexit is going to look like. Theresa May so far said Brexit means Brexit, respecting the will of the British people. Okay? More optimism comes from Japan. Upbeat markets on planned stimulus from Japan. They denied helicopter money. I think it'll come only after the US elections, but they want more stimulus in general. That pushes the yen lower. I suspect that this can last for a long time. Still lots of problems in the global economy, still uncertainty about Brexit, but this is the mood at the moment. Today we have Canadian rate decision later on today at 2 GMT. Oil inventories could also move prices, also especially the Canadian dollar. No changes expected from the Bank of Canada. I believe they'll be relatively optimistic. At least wait for the government stimulus to have its impact. And at night, we have the Australian jobs report, which is, of course, a huge event for the Aussie. And we're expecting a gain in jobs over there. Could also push the Aussie a bit higher if if these expectations become reality. Okay, tomorrow's big event, which is already moving markets, is the rate decision in the bank coming from the Bank of England. Markets expect a rate cut of 25 basis points, but they could opt for adding 50 billion of QE. Probably not both. If they do one step, it's more or less priced in, but don't count on no reaction. I'm sure we'll have a reaction. And if both come in, or we have a big rate cut, of course, it's negative for the pound. If they don't do anything, it's positive. But of course, we will also look for hints for next month's event when they have the quarterly inflation report. Quite a big event. I want to invite you all to join the live coverage with Valeria Bidnarik, Mauricio Carrillo, and myself tomorrow. For a change, the Bank of England's decision is huge. Okay, so that's certainly the big event of the week. And let's look at charts in this wrap-up. So pound dollar is off the highs at the moment. During the show, it's sliding quite a bit, 132.44, off the highs of about 100 pips higher. Maybe markets are already taking profit or waiting for the Bank of England. Okay, I didn't see any political developments this morning. We had quite a storm of political developments this week in the UK. So that's, of course, I follow this currency now more than anything else. Resistance 133.50, support 133.40, basically current levels, and 131.20 is further support. Dollar yen, also a big mover, 104.27 at the moment. Bounced off 105. Also here we might say profit taking or a bit of a worse atmosphere at the moment. 103.40 is support, followed by 101.50, high resistance above 106. Dollar CAD a bit higher ahead of the rate decision, 130.80 resistance, followed by 131.40 support, round number of 130, 129.10, and 128.30. Aussie dollar just hugging the 76 level, already reached high resistance at 76.60. Support is at 75.30 and 75. Okay, and the Kiwi dollar also a bit off the highs, but still looking good, 72.55. The trend remains to the upside, support at 71.50, resistance 73.25. Okay, so that's the wrap up for today. I'll just mention one more thing. On Friday we have this Friday quite a busy day. So tomorrow we have the big UK rate decision, Bank of England's rate decision. On Friday, Chinese GDP and these two important figures from the United States. could change attention, could switch the attention to the world's number 1, number 2 economies instead of the UK and Brexit all over again, all the time. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming. Thank you for the great questions. You're welcome to follow me on Forex Crunch on Twitter. Join our live coverage tomorrow. Wish everybody a safe and successful day. See you tomorrow in the coverage, and if not, next week. So that's it. Thank you very much, and see you. Bye-bye.